As you all know, Jarvis put me in charge of knickknacks, joke, and prank division. Well, I've come up with a few ideas.
Any as good as Jarvis's idea to give you a meaningless promotion to keep you busy and out of our hair? It's not working.
Aster, I'm surprised you have time to complain, since I promoted you to vice president of busy work.
Anyway, check out this joy buzzer. It gives your victim a painful jolt when you pat them on the back, shake their hand, or give them a high five. Observe. Ow, my butt!
I'll take 2.
Here's my favorite prank. Pants full of ants.
Please tell me no pants were harmed in the making of this toy.
You slip this little pouch of tiny robotic ants into your unsuspecting friend's pocket.
Hey, I was unsuspecting that.
Then, when you're far enough away to avoid suspicion, you press the button to release the ants. Where did I put that button? I don't know what's so funny about a missing button. Seriously, I don't laugh when you misplace important things.
Is that what you're looking for?
Piper,
Great idea, boss.
you were asleep.
I'm surprised we're not all asleep, given that Bowie's been talking for the last 3 minutes.
Okay, please move on to the next prank. Like that arrow in your head.
Oh, this isn't a prank. I was late for work, so I cut through an archery range. I've just been trying to make it through this meeting. My head really hurts.
Buckle up and hold on tight. You and me on a wild ride. We're gonna own it and change the game. Together we'll make it all the way. Through all the ups and all the downs. We'll always find a way around. So here we go. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. You got me. I got you. Here we go.
Next time the kids open the fridge for a snack, they'll get a smack.
Wait, I just thought of a much better pun. Let me do that again. Next time the kids open the fridge for a drink, they'll get some fruit punch! Totally worth it.
Whoa, Mrs. Bupkis, you're really overexerting yourself. What are you doing?
Just mopping.
You're exhausted from mopping? That must be really hard for you because I know how much you love mopping. I mean, every time I ask you what you're doing, you say, just mopping. And then look around nervously. Obviously, because you're worried someone will make you stop your beloved mopping.
Think about the Bobkis for a little rest.
Mrs. Bupkis, I hate to say it, but it looks like you're carrying around some extra weight. But don't worry. I'll put together an exercise regimen for you.
No, no, no.
But right now, you need to rehydrate. I'll get you a drink from the fridge.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Here you go, Mrs. Bupkis. Fruit punch.
Bowie, question.
Okay, where do babies come from?
I have a question for you.
Oh, all right. But after, can you answer my question? Because I need to know where to return this.
Do you think Piper's having trouble sleeping?
Clearly not. If anything, she's having trouble eating.
I'm not sleeping. I'm eating my lunch.
Well, her story checks out.
Piper, you've been falling asleep all day. Is something going on with you?
No, I'm fine. I work here during the day. I go home and sleep at night. Everything's...
I'm worried about Piper.
Why? You heard her. Everything's...
There's only one possible explanation for why Piper's not getting any sleep at night.
She's Batman! Think about it. She has a strong sense of justice. She wears a lot of black leather. And she's an avowed enemy of the Joker.
I'm pretty sure Batman is a man. I think she's moonlighting. That means working somewhere else at night, not that she's a werewolf.
Not Batman, not a werewolf. We're running out of plausible explanations.
Come on, Mrs. Bupkis. You can do this. I know there's a fit person inside there somewhere wanting to get out.
Metaphor?
Of course it's a metaphor. That's it, Mrs. Bupkis. Huh. You're dropping it like it's hot, but you don't seem to be sweating like it's hot.
Oh, like pig.
I don't think so. There's no sweat coming through your pores. It's almost like your face is made out of plastic.
Metaphor?
No. It's a simile.
Oh.
I guess we're gonna have to make your next workout even more intense.
Ooh.
Get you to actually sweat.
Yeah.
Good night. Take care. Bye now. I'm P. Everett Knickknack. The P stands for pleasant evening.
Bowie, we're supposed to be hiding so we can follow Piper. Why are you talking like Knick-Knack?
Because it's a lot less suspicious than the statue sounding like two people having a whisper argument.
That doesn't make any sense.
What are you talking about? It makes perfect sense.
No, it doesn't. A statue shouldn't have one or two voices.
Yes, but it's P. Everett Knickknack, so we could totally see. So still, it makes impossible. Go to science, it doesn't work. Okay, maybe it would help if the statue had three voices.
No, that would be worse.
Aha! If 3 is worse than 2, then 2 is worse than 1, which means I win.
Bowie, if we keep arguing about this, we're gonna miss Piper.
No, we're not. She's right there. Maybe she could be the third voice.
Bowie, are you still wearing that joy buzzer?
Yeah.
Okay, Piper took the elevator to the roof. Let's see what's going on.
Wow. I guess a lot of people walked past us during that whisper argument.
What is this? Some sort of underground club?
It's on the roof, so really it's more of an overground club.
Piper must be running this place. I can't believe she'd do something so underhanded.
Overhanded.
There's Piper!
Let's get to the top of this.
Name?
Jarvis Ray.
Not on the list.
But I own this place.
Oh, I know types like you. Always thinking they own the place. Now move aside. You're holding up the line. Name? Boing. Oh, here it is. Always nice to see a fellow bouncer.
What are we gonna do now?
Watch and learn. Excuse me, sir. I think your shoelace is untied.
All right, now's our chance.
What are you talking about?
You distracted him so we can sneak in.
No, I didn't. I said watch and learn how to help someone prevent dangerous trips and falls.
Thanks for warning me about my shoelace, man. That was really cool of you guys. Go on in.
Now's our chance!
Excuse me. Pardon me. Coming through? Sorry.
There's Piper. Let's find out why she didn't tell us about this.
Please welcome to the stage, Piper Gray!
Piper's performing in front of all these people? I didn't think she liked performing. Or people.
The world is bleak, all full of gloom. My soul is dead in this empty tomb. Life tries to emotionally starve us, but it won't work, 'cause I met Jarvis. Jarvis, you got me losing my mind. Jarvis, let me go give you a sign. Jarvis, this much is true. Jarvis, I wanna be with you.
Let's get out of here.
I wanna be with
That
you.
was weird.
I know. You'd think she would have written a song called Bowie.
I wanna be with you.
Okay, Mrs. Bupkis, maybe you'd enjoy exercising more if it were a little competitive.
Ooh, 우리 집 보통 kickboxing?
Maybe later. For now, I was thinking hula hoops. Let's see who can keep the hula hoop from falling to the ground the longest. Looks like you win, Mrs. Bupkis.
Hey, Jarvis, what's up?
Up? On the roof? Nothing. Nothing's up there.
Is everything okay?
Everything is okay. Everything. There's not one thing that is not okay. Here and on the roof.
Jarvis, you got me losing my mind. Jarvis, let me give you a sign. I can't get that song from last night out of my head.
You were there? You heard that?
What? No? Heard what? Nothing. What song? Yes. Piper, are you in love with me?
Bowie, stop pressing the pants full of ants button. Thank you. And now to answer your question. No, I'm not in love with you. That's laughable. Why would you ask that?
Well, the lyrics of your song are all about me.
Oh, I see the confusion. The song's called Jarvis, and your name is also Jarvis. No, see, I didn't even write that song. It's a cover. The song, not this whole story.
Oh, someone else's song. That makes sense. So what's the name of the band?
The band?
That sings Jarvis.
Oh, they're called Monster Chair.
Cool name. Maybe I'll check out the video.
The video?
For Jarvis. I'm sure there's one online.
You can't now. You have an appointment.
I do? With who?
The foot doctor. About the pain in your foot.
I don't have any. Well, I better go. I don't want to be late for the foot doctor.
Aster, I need your help with something.
You ready to do something about your wardrobe?
Finally! It's not my clothes. I've never told anyone this before, but I kind of have a thing for Jarvis.
I
You know?
It's obvious. Just like how you wear your hair to one side to cover your boy face. Don't worry. No one else knows about your crush. Or your boy face.
You have to promise to keep this private.
I'd never tell anyone about this. I like my conversations to be interesting.
I wrote this song about him and said it was a cover, and now he wants to see the video, but it's a fake band.
So make a fake video. Just wear a costume.
Do you really think it's possible to fool someone you work with every day with a disguise?
That's it, Mrs. Bupkis. Looking good.
hate these kids.
You wanted to see me?
Yeah. I've been trying to check out the monster chair video online, but someone put up a firewall.
Huh. I don't know who would have the technical skills to make something like that happen. But speaking of that video that's been on the internet this whole time, let's check it out.
Jarvis, Jarvis, you got me losing my mind. Jarvis, let me give you a sign. Jarvis, this much is true. Jarvis, I wanna be with you.
I'm Jarvis. I love you too, babe.
That was unbelievable.
Unbelievable good or unbelievable unbelievable?
The first one. It was unreal.
Unreal good or unreal... Okay, I'll quit while I'm ahead.
Piper, you need to look at this.
For the last time, I looked in a mirror this morning.
No, not that. Really, you did? Anyway, check this out. Your monster chair video has 12 million views.
What? That's crazy! My song's a hit?
A huge hit. Slashcore Records has offered this mystery band a multi-album deal. See the good things that can happen if you just change your clothes and put on a little makeup?
This is incredible! Be bad.
Wow. When life gives you lemonade, you somehow manage to get it back in the lemon.
If I come forward, Jarvis will know I wrote that song and how I feel about him. What if he doesn't feel the same way about me?
If?
Do you ever say anything nice about anyone?
Yeah. I just said something nice about Jarvis. I pointed out that he has standards.
Wow.
Oh, hey, Piper. Can you reinstall that firewall on my computer?
Why, are you having security issues?
No. I just want to roast this hot dog.
Listen, Jarvis. There's something I need to get off my chest.
That ugly jacket?
Come on! I've been trying to figure out how to tell you this for a long time now.
In that case, could I wait 2 more minutes? Monster Chair is about to make a big announcement.
What? How could they do that?
By streaming it online? You're our computer person. Shouldn't you know this stuff?
Welcome to the Thrasher Dave music vlog. Joining me today, Monster Chair. They've decided to come forward and take Slashcore up on the record deal.
That's impossible! Monster Chair doesn't exist! Just to make money. They would never sell out like that.
I'm just glad they're going to make more music. They're awesome! And the lead singer is smoking hot.
You think she's pretty?
Yeah, she's gorgeous. Although, she looked way better in the video.
Really? Did you also think the drummer was hot?
No, it's a dude with an orange beard.
Right.
Anyway, you wanted to tell me something?
Nah, I'm good. Really, really good.
Now we're gonna do chin-ups. See? You pull until your chin is up over the bar. That's why they're called chin-ups. You try, Mrs. Bubkus.
What is kabucha for the port? Crashed it.
I won't let you give up until you've done a proper chin-up. Or two, one for each chin. You're doing it, Mrs. Bumpkus. I gotta get a picture. Whoa. What's going on? I'll tell you what's going on. You look great. Huh? Wow, you really dropped those pounds. You're like a totally different person.
Same person.
You didn't tell him?
I couldn't. I'm just not ready. So I guess no Jarvis and no record deal.
Yeah. But you wrote a hit song at 14. You've got the talent to have whatever music career you want someday.
Thank you, Aster. You actually said something nice.
You better not tell anyone.
Don't worry, I'll keep it under my hat.
That hat? Can't you keep it under a nice hat?
And he's back.
Get ready for the pranksation that's sweeping the nation. Pants full of ants. Also available, bee in your bonnet. And mouse in your blouse.
Pete Schultz Everly.
I'm P. Everett Knickknack. The P stands for... prank!